Welcome to Mastering the Future Perfect Continuous Tense. In this video, we'll explore how to describe actions that will continue up until a certain point in the future. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that will have been ongoing until a specific point in the future. It's formed using will have been, followed by the present participle, verb plus ing. For example, by next month, I will have been working at this company for 5 years, or they will have been traveling for 24 hours by the time they arrive. To form the future perfect continuous tense, combine will have been with the present participle of the main verb. This tense emphasizes the duration of an action that will be ongoing until a future point. For instance, she will have been studying for 3 hours by the time you arrive, or we will have been living in this house for 10 years next month. Now, let's practice forming sentences in the future perfect continuous tense to illustrate actions that will continue up to a specific future moment. Try completing these sentences. Thank you for joining us in Mastering the Future Perfect Continuous Tense. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and insights.